In this video, we will learn about the 4 pillars of object-oriented programming. There are 4 main concepts or pillars in object-oriented programming. These are the core, fundamental concepts of OOP that empower developers to write object-oriented code. The 4 pillars of object-oriented programming are encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. Encapsulation means making a class's attributes inaccessible from other classes. We should write code in a way that each class is like its own unit. Variables or data inside of a class should be hidden from any other classes and can only be accessed inside of that class. We also call encapsulation data hiding or information hiding. Abstraction, put simply, is hiding the details of the program from the end user. If we built an app, the user could click a button to perform a task, but doesn't need to understand all of the code running under the hood to make the app work. Abstraction also means hiding the details from other parts of the program. One object does not need to know or understand what another object does, it just needs to know which objects are available to call, and which kinds of parameters are needed to trigger a certain operation. Inheritance is used to add the functionality of one class to another class without having to rewrite the logic. A derived class or subclass means that fields and methods from the parent class are inherited. Polymorphism means that classes can have different functionality while sharing a common interface. In other words, objects can take on multiple forms. A shape can be a rectangle, triangle, circle, etc. All of these things are shapes, but they are all different forms of a shape.